Ngucanio kiama-ini kia guthii guku bururi-ini nikio Boxing Association of Kenya ndiguthiraga yatira thutha wa mwaho mwe wa tongoria kiama-ini giki kwiyumirio muthe na kumenererio tongoria muru wa muikariri giti wa ihinda niwe John Kameta uria maugite niwe kihinga kinene kia uthii wa nambere kiama-ini giki.
And Kameta has got to understand he's not going to run boxing as an individual, okay? Just the same way he was elected as president is the same way this executive was elected by the delegates.
Matongoretio ni munini wa muikariri giti Paul Mung'ori na mwandiki mukaru wa ihinda kiama-ini giki niwe Isaac Mbote. Atongoria maugite Kameta ni kuhingisha arahingisha athaki a ngundi akihaririria hibitano cia gucagura timu gicua-ini guku magitariria ati we ti muikari wa gicigo kiu na koguo ndari na uhoti oro wothe wa gukorwo akihaririria hibitano gicua-ini.
He's not a member of Mombasa County Boxing Association, nor is not a member of any other discipline.
Atongoria aya marekereirie ndumiriri no riri ngucanio cia gucagura timu iria karugamirira bururi thiini wa hibitano cia gitaru kia Africa mwaka uyu ingirite gikiro-ini gia semi-final muthe, final ikiraririo gukorwo igithako muthenya wa rucio. Na kuo kungi makiria ma teng'eri 600 niyo meyandikithitie gugakorwo makinyita itemi thiini wa ikereka ria mbere ria ihenya ria gutua ng'ongo ria Masters riria rigatabanio muthenya wa rucio muciĩ-ini wa Eldoret.
Hii ni preparation ya next year kwa maana tunaenda court willing, tunaenda Toronto, Canada katika World Championship.
Kiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Geto Shohi wa Ithe Fethi.